Boss has been a turn around for in my career. But I feel like I just see this as a stepping stone, to be honest. Like, I never really planned to be on reality shows. Let me be very honest. I come from pageant background, as everyone knows it. But Big Boss came to me, and I intuitively felt like I should do it. I think 1-1.5 घंटा I was amidst anxiety. But उसके बाद I pulled myself out, and the first thing I did without even talking to anyone was went to the kitchen to cook for the family, for the घर वाले. So it definitely is therapeutic. I remember Farhana when she saw her picture, जो वो premiere वाला, she was like, यार ये सब घर वाले सब बोल रहे थे कि इसका तो पूरी शक्ल ही बदल गई. Like she lost weight.
Yes, she has lost a lot
of weight. Yeah, and she was my best friend. I hope still is. I'll know once she comes out of the house. But I feel like, yeah, even she's told me so many times that यार मैं weight lose ही करते जा रही हूँ. मैंने बोला हाँ बहन पता है. मैंने I think I started cooking since the age of 13. Right after I lost my mother.
Okay.
So when I've cooked for my family for over I think 8 to 10 years.
Oh, awesome.
So I think almost everything.
What is that one thing which lifts your mood while having?
I think pizza, biryani, samosa pav.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the list keeps going on. बसीर लिटरली रोटियां छुपा कर रखता था 3-4 every day, so that वो 3-4 रोटियां कोई खत्म ना करे और उसकी मैं करारी रोटी बना सकूं. In fact, there have been threats for my brother also. Okay. On his social media, people are spreading such hatred. I don't even want to ask my dad to open his Instagram. Why are they not showing Nehal loving her friends or just people generally? Why have they not shown कि Nehal ने अभिषेक को बैल बुद्धि या 1000 वर्ड जो भी कहे वो क्यों कहे? क्योंकि उससे ज्यादा बार अभिषेक बजाज का मेरे लिए प्रोवोकेशन आया था.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me right now I have the Big Boss ka boss, Nehal Chudasama, on my special show What's Cooking. So join me as I welcome her only on my show. First of all, lovely to have you as always, and we have seen you growing from where to where. I must congratulate you for that, and Big Boss has been a complete different, turnaround around your career. So tell me about your journey, Nehal. How does it feel?
So first of all, thank you for having me, Samina. It's always been a pleasure to be on shows and interviews and podcasts with you. Yeah, Big Boss has been a turn around for in my career. But I feel like I just see this as a stepping stone, to be honest. Like, I never really planned to be on reality shows. Let me be very honest. I come from pageant background, as everyone knows it. But Big Boss came to me, and I intuitively felt like I should do it. So that's how I decided to get into it. And I think it's just been fun since then. Yeah.
Interesting, I must say that. And the interesting part of this entire show is that बहुत धमाल होते हैं और अलग अलग पर्सनालिटीज के साथ में आप मिलते हो, और वहाँ से बाहर आने के बाद में आई फील कहीं ना कहीं थेरेपीज की जरूरत भी पड़ जाती है काफी लोगों को. How it has been for you? I have to ask you.
You're right, actually. I mean, देखो ये गेम, ये रियलिटी शो, इस घर का नेचर ही ऐसा है कि आप ऐसी कठिन सिचुएशंस में जाते हो जिससे निकलने के लिए आपको बहुत वक्त लग जाता है, और you're literally in public's eye for a very long time. It's like people see you for what you are, but along with that लोग आपको उस नजरिए से भी देखते हैं जिस नजरिए से मेकर्स चाहते हो कि लोग आपको देखें. So I think उस चीज से निकलने के लिए बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. एंड एज यू मेंशन, लोगों को थेरेपीज की जरूरत पड़ती है. एब्सोल्युटली, मुझे भी थेरेपी की जरूरत पड़ रही. थेरेपी, मेडिटेशन, सब कुछ.
दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. पर नेहल, आपकी एक चीज मुझे तो बता दी कि यू आर अ वेरी गुड कुक.
Yes.
वहाँ पर बिग बॉस के शो में जाकर आई थिंक सब आपके खाने के काफी दीवाने भी हो गए, बिकॉज मेकिंग 30 चपातीज एट वन गो इज नॉट एन ईजी टास्क। और चिकन का प्यार तो आपका काफी यार उभर कर आ रहा था शो पर। तो चिकन तो फिलहाल मेरे पास है नहीं, पर इस शो पर वी आर गोइंग टू मेक सुशी, वेजिटेबल सुशी, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक पिज्जा फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम। और इसके लिए मैं काफी एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज मैंने ये साइड किसी के साथ में एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया, एंड दिस इज अ यूनिक डिश। ऑफ कोर्स लाइक हमेशा पिज्जा में पसंद आता है, और आई फील लाइक कुकिंग इज अ थेरेपी। हाउ इज कुकिंग फॉर यू?
I was just telling this to my friend today that, and on the show also मैंने बहुत बार बोला है. I remember, I'm not sure if you remember, but I had this one incident with Amal, जहाँ पर I got very vulnerable in that situation. And so मेरी एक बात है, whenever I get overwhelmed or anxious or vulnerable, I take some time out for myself, I be with myself, but immediately I pull myself out. तो वैसी situation घर में हुई थी, और मैं I think 1-1.5 घंटा I was amidst anxiety, but उसके बाद I pulled myself out, and the first thing I did without even talking to anyone was went to the kitchen to cook for the family, for the घर वाले. So it definitely is therapeutic. Apart from that also, जब भी मैंने खाना बनाया है, I told this to my brother. Like when I'm really, like in a low mood, I just go on to cooking, and I feel like it sort of drags me out of the mental situation that I am in. So
और ओवरथिंकिंग तो आई थिंक ना हम सभी का कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम हो गया था। वी ऑल आर इनटू ओवरथिंकिंग, एंड वी आर ओवरथिंकर्स। बट मैं आपको उस सिचुएशन में नहीं डालना चाहती हूँ, ना ही बिग बॉस के जैसे जहाँ पर मेरा खाना कहाँ है आप नहीं पूछोगी, क्योंकि आज आप खुद खाना बनाने वाली हो, एंड आई वांट टू really see this side of yours, and I'm sure, yeah, of course, like we have the sushi, we have
I
this.
really want the audience to know something. लोग यही सोशल मीडिया पे कमेंट कि भूखी, तुझे खाना नहीं मिलता था, लोगों से तुमने खाना छीना, ये वो, बट लोगों को ये समझ नहीं आता कि बिग बॉस के घर में आपको बहुत लिमिटेड राशन भेजा जाता है, और काफी बार हमारे फर्स्ट 2 हफ्ते में 3 हफ्ते में, इनफैक्ट फर्स्ट वीक इटसेल्फ हमने एंटर किया, हमने देखे बहुत सारे अंडे रखे थे, लोगों ने 7-7, 8-8, 12-12 अंडे बनाए। तीसरे दिन में हमारे पास एग्स ही नहीं बचे थे, और वो लिटरली 3rd डे था बिग बॉस का। सो हमें इससे पता चला कि राशन बहुत लिमिटेड आने वाला है, और इसे कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा, चाहे वो कितनी भी नेसेसरी चीज हो। तो जो किचन टीम होती थी, अनफॉर्चुनेटली या फॉर्चुनेटली मैं उस टीम में थी, सो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाती है, जैसे मॉम्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है घर में, कि अगर 1 किलो चावल है, उसको अगर सर्टेन डेज के लिए चलाना है, तो उस हिसाब से डिवाइड करते हैं। अब चाहे एक शैतान बच्चा 500 ग्राम चावल एक साथ खा पाता हो, बट उसको नहीं मिलता। सो इट्स लाइक दैट आई वाज जस्ट बीइंग वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल ऑन द, नॉट जस्ट on the show, but as a family member, as someone who represented the kitchen, कि अगर इतनी जैगरी है, एक पाउच ही आई है, या 10 पाउचेस चिकन ही आए हैं, और उसको 7 दिन चलाना है, तो 3 पीसेस चिकन ही मिलेंगे। So that was me on the show because of the rules and regulations and the situation.
और सिचुएशन की तो काफी अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में आपने खुद को तो पाया है, बट एक चीज मैंने ये भी नोटिस की, दैट पीपल हु आर ऑन द शो, दे टेंड टू लूज वेट. I've seen that with Chum, and I've told her also, like when you came out of the show, I think वो डाइट काफी ऐसे ही कंट्रोल हो जाता है जब राशन पानी कंट्रोल हो जाता है. Don't you feel?
Also, I mean, I come from a fitness background, so I have a very knowledgeable say about it. It depends on the body type. A lot of people, जो बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो naturally weight lose करना tend करते हैं, but कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो naturally gain कर लेते हैं. So I think I belong to the later category, which is why I was very particular about what I eat. And I did not eat a lot of carbs. तो मेरे लिए वो प्रोटीन, वो चिकन होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. But at least 80-85% of people, they lose weight. Like I remember Farhana, when she saw her picture, जो वो premiere वाला, she's like, यार ये सब घर वाले सब बोल रहे थे कि इसका तो पूरी शक्ल ही बदल गई. Like she lost weight.
Yes, she has lost a lot
of weight. Yeah, and she was my best friend. She, I hope, still is. I'll know once she comes out of the house. But I feel like, yeah, even she's told me so many times that यार मैं weight lose ही करते जा रही हूँ. मैंने बोला हाँ बहन पता है.
I think वो इतना engrossed हो चुकी है वहाँ पर that I think she's actually losing a lot of weight even it comes across. But I don't want you to put back to your Big Boss diaries because I'm sure you must be missing the show और आपको मन कर रहा होगा वापस जाने के लिए. इसके लिए मैं आपको यहाँ पर इस शो पर रखना चाहती हूँ. So let's start with sushi. I think हम सबसे पहले sushi बनाते हैं, and this is something different. हम normal rice नहीं लेकर आए हैं. We have got the purple rice.
So basically हम आज हो ये रहा है सबीना, just extra information for the audiences, कि गौरव खन्ना जो है वो एक काफी बड़ा शो जीत कर आए थे कुकिंग वाला,
हाँ.
और सबको ये उम्मीद थी कि गौरव खन्ना हमारे घर में खाना बनाएंगे, जो उन्होंने एटलीस्ट मेरे जाने तक 10 वीक्स तक 9 वीक्स तक उन्होंने कोई खाना बनाया नहीं, ये कह के कि मुझे आता ही नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ एक्सोटिक खाना बनाना आता है, और हम इसलिए खाना बना रहे थे। सो आज मैं बना रही हूँ एक्सोटिक खाने, और गौरव खन्ना घर में बना रहे हैं रोटी और चावल और सब्जी। So I love this flip.
काफी अच्छा यानी रेवोल्यूशन हुआ है। हम है कुछ और बता कुछ और रहे हैं। But I will not basically let you be the Gaurav Khanna. I want you to be the Nehal Chudasama. And let's go for this. तो आपको सुशी का मैं बता दूँ that we add this first. Okay, this the seaweed. ये है and this rice you have to put, then avocado थोड़ा सा। नेहल सबसे अच्छा आप क्या बना लेते हो?
मैं बहुत सारी चीजें, बिरयानी, चिकन मसाला, मीट, प्रॉन्स बिरयानी, दाल। People in the house would go crazy about my dal. So I think सभी कुछ यार मैंने I think I started cooking since the age of 13. Right after I lost my mother.
Okay.
So and I've cooked for my family for over I think 8 to 10 years.
Oh, awesome.
So I think almost everything.
आपके डैड को आपके हाथ का क्या पसंद है?
Oh, my dad loves dal dhokli that I make and chicken masala. मेरे डैड को, he is a fan and he literally begs me कि बेटा please बना दे। I'm like dad आज नहीं।
And coming from a Gujarati family, what's been your personal favorite? Because Gujaratis have like a lot of dishes, especially like now that we are into winters, we are already step into it. Undiyu is like a personal favorite.
Love undiyu. Although I don't know how to make undiyu, but I love undiyu. I love dal dhokli. I love dhoklas. So
two Gujus like talking about Gujarati.
I know.
Yeah.
I didn't know this.
So, but before we move on to that aspect, of course, I'm sorry to hear about your mother. When she used to, basically make something for you as a child, which was that one dish, which stayed close to you. And I know you're very emotional about it. I don't want to bring that, entire thing, because I've seen the way you have like seen the letters, the pictures and all. So I don't want you to go on that tangent, but one dish, which has like kind of been your favorite, as a childhood memory.
My mom was actually, I have got this from her. She was very bubbly, very jolly personality. And every Sunday we would have this, like 4 of us family members would sit together and chill, and so she would fry pomfrets on Sunday.
Okay.
Every Sunday, because that was like our Sunday thing. Wow. So I think that is one thing that I miss a lot. 4 of us, dad having a little glass of wine, and me and my brother just running around the house, and mom making pomfrets for us. So I think fish curries and fried fish is something that I really miss having from her.
And now let's try this, because from pomfret to here, it's a long journey, I must say that. But yeah, Nehal, I'm making you have like veg things. So let's see अगर आपको भी अच्छा लगता है कि नहीं. But मुझे भी try करना है आज, because I have not seen like exploring this side of yours.
Right.
मैंने Big Boss में बहुत शौक से देखा है.
आज Tuesday है. Tuesdays और Saturdays को मैं vegetarian हूँ. Wow.
I'm happy.
So this is the right exact time to have it.
So let's start making this. Let's start with sushi. Chalo.
Alright. So we start with seaweed.
Okay.
I'm a first timer.
I'm judging you for one thing. Purple rice and purple outfit.
I know. I saw the rice as I ate. I was like, hey, that's matching. Alright. Now I will add some tempura.
Some goes on this side too.
Actually, I will give me a knife. You're looking at me as if I'm some professional sushi maker.
We are exploring that side of yours, Exotic खाना भले ही गौरव बना देते हैं, आज आपसे try करवा रहे हैं हम लोग. But good design and all, अच्छे से बन रहा है ये तो पूरा.
I mean, I'm trying.
मुझे ना भूख लग रही है नेहल, पता है ये देखने के बाद. मैंने lunch भी नहीं किया है. I'm literally waiting for it.
I hope I don't ruin your expectations. I think professional chefs who are gonna watch us, they're gonna judge us so bad. मतलब
This is Nehal's
this is-
special recipe is what I could say.
This is the first time I'm making sushi, just so you know.
So this I don't know whether you need to put
Yeah, this is
Abhi?
sour cream or yeah.
Acha. Now I think you have to turn, na?
So now,
Hmm.
carefully,
Okay.
if
हाँ,
we do,
स्वाहा। मुझे sour cream का tension हो रहा है, but yes आपने किया है, wow, nice.
I'm
Taste it.
so
Yay!
happy. I'm so damn impressed.
Now we just need a
you
plate.
know, this moment feels like the first day of Big Boss जब मैंने खाना बनाया था,
हाँ,
क्योंकि मैंने उस दिन खाना 10 साल बाद पहली बार बनाया था.
अच्छा.
So this is exactly what.
But you know what, Nehal, एक
Yeah.
बार
Yeah.
do you need the water करने के लिए या हो जाएगा उसके बगैर? What do you feel like?
I don't know what is the water used for.
Yeah, because even I don't know. I think
I think
this
this is
this looks
perfect.
fine to me.
This is perfect. Let's just cut
ऐसे
it.
लगना चाहिए ना कि एक्चुअल में यानी किसी इंसान ने बनाया है, शेफ ने नहीं. I mean इंसान ही है, वो भी इंसान ही है, but like professional ने नहीं. Nehal, do you feel that to impress anyone out there, would you prefer taking cooking as as your impress करने की skills में? It could be a guy, probably.
Sabina, I
as a
never
date.
do things to impress anyone. Never. If that was the case, my father would have been so happy with me. I think I posted about this a few days back only, that the only
Yeah.
validation I look for is
Your own self.
if I'm doing better than what I was 2 minutes back or 2 hours back or 2 days back or 2 years back, I think we're good. I am impressed.
What is that one thing which lifts your mood while having?
I think pizza, biryani, samosa pav.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the list keeps going on.
नहीं नेहल, मुझे ये खाकर देखना है because मैं यहाँ पे judge करने वाली हूँ. Now you'll have to
Yes,
add this, I think, the
Yeah.
wasabi and on
Yeah.
side.
No one in this world would eat that much quantity of wasabi.
No, I eat wasabi a lot.
Are you?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I love that that
That-
feel it gives you.
That pungent.
Yeah, pungent, yeah, and that literally that nose में जो feel होता है.
I know, the throat and nose.
Yes, I love that
Alright.
actually.
ऐसी sushi आप
Wow, decoration बहुत अच्छा है, I must say that.
जिंदगी में नहीं खाई.
Now I just want कि taste भी अच्छा हो बस.
अच्छा
और मुझे
ही
ऐसे
होगा.
लग तो रहा है कि टेस्ट अच्छा ही होगा. और अभी मैं जज बनने वाली हूँ, बहुत थोड़े से टाइम है.
Yeah,
This makes me happy. Like
yeah.
decoration भी अच्छे से किया है. Now you can just hold this, Nehal,
Yes.
and show it to the audience out there. कि सिर्फ
Guys-
नेहल रोटी और सालन नहीं बनाती है, पर
Exactly.
और भी चीजें बनाती है.
सिर्फ रोटी और 2 पीसेस चिकन नहीं, नेहल सुशी भी बना सकती है.
और
वो भी
इसमें एक
first
और एक
time.
आइटम आने वाला है जो टॉप पर पता है, वो जो सॉस,
Soy sauce,
yeah, so
yeah.
he's just ये मुझे ना वो ऐसे मतलब बचपन में जो बर्थडे केक्स बनाते हैं ऑल दैट,
हाँ,
उसका थोड़ा सा वाइब आ रहा है इसमें.
उसका फीलिंग
हाँ, वेरी डेकोरेटिव, आई मस्ट से दैट.
We're
Wow.
trying our best, which is not creative at all.
Now I want you to hold this for the audience out there.
Whatever.
Nehal's dish, which we are going to try. अभी फिलहाल सिर्फ यानी डेकोरेशन में अच्छा लग रहा है वो, but we are going to try it also.
I am so proud of myself.
What is your boredom dish when you get bored and you're like, चलो मैं ये बना लेती हूँ, just mood को.
I had karari roti. Have you heard of karari?
No, karari roti is not something.
No
I know.
way.
No, I have not.
The whole house was like they would love karari roti a lot. तो जब भी रोटियां बच जाती है 5, 6, 7, 8 जब भी सपोज लंच की रोटियां बच गई है तो शाम को या फिर रात को करारी रोटी मैं बनाकर सबको खिलाती थी.
अच्छा.
Nobody knew what karari roti was, but the first time I made it, people flipped. And उसके बाद से every alternate day या फिर रोज, I'll tell you one inside thing. बसीर literally रोटियां छुपा कर रखता था 3-4 every day, so that वो 3-4 रोटियां कोई खत्म ना करे और उसकी मैं करारी रोटी बना सकूं.
Wow, Basir, you should really be grateful of having a friend like Nehal. I must say that.
So गौरव बसीर you know एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि कराई रोटी बसीर के लिए बनाई थी और गौरव ने आके देखा उसने बोला क्या बन रहा है मैंने कहा कराई रोटी अच्छा किसके लिए मैंने कहा बसीर ने अपनी रोटी नहीं खाई थी उससे बचा कर रखी थी तो गौरव से ये बात सही नहीं है सबके लिए होना चाहिए देन आई लिटरली मेड इट divided into 5-6 different people.
Oh,
so
good.
that's the thing about karari roti, but unfortunately वो कहीं दिखाया नहीं गया.
पर जो करारी रोटी भले ही दिखाई नहीं गई है, I think after this shoot I know where to go.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean एक वो हमें explore कर सकते हैं हम लोग actually आज भी, but I'm sure you can send the recipe to me. And also equally I'm joining you after this for a chai and karari roti.
Yes, let's
Such
do
a
it.
deadly combo, I must say that. But now I want to judge you. And आपको लोगों ने तो काफी जज किया है. Now it's my time to judge you. So I'll have it directly. अभी भी चल रहा है वो तो.
अभी भी चल. I think it's never ending.
It's never ending.
You like it? Let me taste that too.
It's actually good.
यार मैं खुद का तो टेस्ट कर लूँ. फिर खुद को ही वैलिडेशन दे दूँगी.
मुझे अच्छा लगा actually. है ना? I told you ना.
I liked it. I liked it. Oh my god. I'm so glad I can say I can make very good sushi. Not the best, but very good. I love it.
Before we move on to something like this, एक बात तो है जो बहुत हो भी रही है आपके साथ में, आपके सोशल मीडिया पर ट्रोलिंग तो बहुत मैसिवली हो रही है, कमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा चीप आ रहे हैं और काफ़ी लोग जजमेंटल भी हो रहे हैं. So how are you dealing with that? Because I know I have seen you basically on your Instagram stories and I've seen you're super into about your fitness.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you have faced this bullying and harassment on social media. And how do you deal with that? Because I know कि कहीं ना कहीं हम let go कितनी बार भी कर लो, एक वो कोई word कहीं ना कहीं stuck हो जाता है. So how have you dealt with it?
The thing is, Samina, that first जो चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आती है, that is choice. I chose to do this reality show. So as an intelligent human, I knew the consequences, the disadvantages, advantages of it. I had calculated it. So somewhere down the line, I was prepared for it. Second, which is more important, comes to me is I know who I am. I know what I'm capable of. I know my truth, which 100% of people don't know. They know what was shown on the show. They know what was the narrative set by the makers, which I have no complaint about. I'll tell you why. Because at the end of the day, even they're running a show business. They have to do what they need to increase the TRP or whatsoever. It's a game. It's a show business.
Yeah.
So I have no complaint. Just it's unfortunate that they chose me to map as a villain or to give that negative narrative to. But again, coming back to I know who I am and this extra noise from outside doesn't really bother me that much. It did for the first 4-5 days, and trust me, I've had the worst panic attacks, the worst anxiety attacks. I've literally got up from sleep like breathing heavy, and I've had nightmares and everything. But then I brought my back to the center. I meditated, I go for therapy, and that's how I've sailed through it. Third thing, these people I've noticed, people who talk shit about you, people who call you names, say things that you would have never imagined. In fact, there have been threats for my brother also. Okay. On his social media, people are spreading such hatred. I don't even want to ask my dad to open his Instagram because I don't know what is he going to go through. But again, I've had a very difficult life journey, from losing my mother to the whole transformation journey to pageant world to not winning Miss Universe but representing India at Miss Universe. I've had a long journey and I've worked very hard. I mean, you witnessed it for last 6 years. I've worked very hard. So all these small things, slut shaming and words like that, they don't really matter. And the kind of people that it comes from are eventually the people that I feel need help in life. So when such a word comes on my comment or on my story or on Twitter, instead of taking it personally and feeling bad, I feel bad for that person. कि ये इंसान जिंदगी में किस चीज से गुजर रहे होंगे for them to have the courage to say something like this to other person.
Yes, sir.
And last, a lot of people don't have ways to show power in their life. मतलब हर इंसान को अपनी पावर कहीं ना कहीं एक सिक्योरिटी अंकल को भी अपनी पावर कहीं ना कहीं दिखानी होती है. तो वो कहाँ दिखाते हैं? कार पार्किंग में, यू नो, वहाँ. So I think people who are helpless in their lives generally, I think social media is their way to reflect that power, to showcase their power, that, you know, that I am powerful if I comment a slut shaming word to someone. So I think if उनको उस चीज़ से power मिल रही है, enjoy it. But at the end of the day, I know who I am. And this Nehal is not what was shown on the show for 9 weeks. And I think I told this to Farha ma'am on one weekend का बार. जब फरहा मैम ने कहा था कि नेहल प्रॉमिस मी कि जितने भी घर वाले आपको हेट करते हैं आप उस हेट को ट्रांसफर करोगे. एंड मैंने वो प्रूव किया था शो में. उस हेट को मैंने पूरा प्यार में बदला था. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई बिलीव इन, दैट आई स्प्रेड लव, आई स्प्रेड लाफ्टर एंड इवेंचुअली पीपल फॉलो दैट.
एक चीज ये भी हुई थी इस शो पर which I also saw and you know probably one of the episodes because I have not seen the entire, I would not lie but not seen because you know sometimes बहुत nerves पे भी जाता है, you know, when you're watching a show like Big Boss, you know, it catches on you very badly. I'm like, अच्छा ये ऐसे behave कर रहा है, reality में भी ऐसे लोग होते हैं, you know, you start calculating. But when I was watching and I remember that Salman, Akshay, Farah ma'am, you know, they all saw one potential in you. And they said that, you know, you're not exploring that. And Salman also told me that, you know, तुम्हारा जो potential है तुम उस पे नहीं focus कर रहे हो, तुम trivial issues में fights में जा रहे हो. Cut to Salman after a very long time, he said like, you have been manipulative, which didn't go down well with a lot of fans of yours and even the audience. They were wondering like why he's saying something like that to her of all. What do you have to say about that? Because Salman also keeps on, you know, basically have his own opinions and then suggest, you know, the contestants out there. So, आपका उसमें क्या thought था?
So I think Weekend Ka War is the place where a narrative is set. Because no matter what a person sees in the house, कहीं ना कहीं सलमान सर आके वीकेंड पे क्या बोल रहे हैं वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग नैरेटिव बाहर जाता है. सो आई think the makers wanted to set this narrative of Nehal as the villain. Maybe I'm assuming. And because that's what I can conclude from what I watched on the show, and I was like, that's not me. ये क्या हो गया है? मतलब, why are they not showing Nehal having fun, which Nehal has had at least 70-80% of the times? Why are they not showing Nehal loving her friends or just people generally? Why have they not shown कि Nehal ने अभिषेक को बैल बुद्धि या 1000 वर्ड जो भी कहे वो क्यों कहे? क्योंकि उससे ज्यादा बार अभिषेक बजाज का मेरे लिए प्रोवोकेशन आया था. A lot of times, I don't want to share small instances. So they have not showed you that why did Nehal react a certain way. There was no action that was shown. There was only reaction of Nehal being shown everywhere. So I feel like that was the narrative they must have thought would work better for the show. और इसलिए उन्होंने शायद मुझे manipulative का ये बोल दिया होगा weekend के बाद में. But I'll tell you, Samina, very honestly, and like God's watching, if I've been manipulative, things would crash. I have only been very, very emotionally attached with my friends on the show, which was the feedback I was given also.
Yes, even I was like, I was tweeting for you. I was like, why is she getting emotionally invested over here? Because it's not required, you know.
Yeah.
I think you were too heartbroken with whatever happened between you and Farhana.
Absolutely.
And I remember, like, when writing on my own social media, I'm like, she is getting emotionally involved, and that is her only drawback. Had she seen it as a play, as a game, I don't think so. She would have been that hurt.
I got that feedback. So I was told that you got emotionally invested a lot. So on which I said that yes, I mean that's a part of being a human, and it's a very important personality trait that I have, that I incline towards different people emotionally. So I mean, what's bad in that? If I got emotionally invested, if I stopped playing the game, I'll tell you something very honestly, Samina. I was told by Abhishek Bajaj कि crash course करके आई, and you know such words were used for me on a weekend का वार. But I never played the game. If I were playing the game, I would know exactly what to do after coming back from Secret Group.
Yeah.
I would actually shake the dynamics of the house, but I did not do that. I was who I was in the house, and the makers decided to show me as who they wanted to show me. But I never played the game. I was doing everything from my hand, by my hand, especially for my friends like Farhana.
Hmm.
So that is also why I was deeply hurt when I got evicted, and I did not hug her. That also went viral.
Yes.
वो hug करने की कोशिश कर रही है, but नेहल ने नहीं की, because I cannot act. Like, if I don't like you, I'm not gonna hug you. I can't do that. My body doesn't allow me.
Hmm.
That's just who I am. But I'm so glad after my eviction, वो पूल में जाकर उसने खुद ही ये कहा कि मैंने नेहल को अपने आप से मैंने खुद ही पुश कर दिया उसको, और मैंने काफ़ी गलत चीज़ें कही जो मैंने नहीं बोलनी चाहिए थी. And that in itself was a relief for me.
Now I'm just going to divert your entire mood because मैंने चाहती कि आप इमोशनल और हो जाओ और थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट करो.
बहुत मेडिटेट करके मैं खुश फ्रीक्वेंसी पे आ रही हूँ.
अब हम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फेज पर जा चुके हैं, which is pizza, which is my favorite, which is her favorite. We love pizzas. और मैं बहुत अच्छे स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पे चल रही थी जहाँ पे हम पिज़्ज़ाज अवॉइड कर रही थी, बट थैंक्स टू नेहल आज हम एक हेल्दी पिज़्ज़ा खाने वाले हैं. और अब नेहल बनाने वाली है आटा, पिज़्ज़ा का आटा.
हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 10 to 20 ml पानी,
बिकॉज नेहल ने वहाँ पर बिग बॉस के शो में काफी रोटियाज तो बेली है.
40 रोटी पर मील. मम्मा
सबसे ज्यादा कौन खाता है वहाँ पर?
फिर मैं बोलूंगी तो बोलोगे कि बोलती है. ऑफ कोर्स अभिषेक बजाज.
हाँ,
अभिषेक बजाज पे रोटियों की बात आती है तो शहबाज पहले शुरुआत में तो वो शॉक हो गई कि
हाँ.
अच्छा सिर्फ 3 रोटी मिलेगी.
अच्छा,
क्योंकि वो आई थिंक 6-6, 7-7 रोटी खाने वाले शख्स हैं.
ओह वाओ, ओके.
सो वो शॉक हो गए थे जब वो शुरुआत में आए थे.
हाँ. और नेहल आपका कैसा कैपेसिटी है, आपको कितनी रोटीज चाहिए?
यार मेरा डिपेंड करता है कि डाइट पे. अगर मैं स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पे हूँ तो फिर आई ईट
थोड़ा.
So if I'm on strict diet, then I'll just have multigrain tortillas or roti, one.
Okay.
That's it. Because मेरा diet is very calculated, like my macros, calories per meal, कितना मैं खाती हूँ protein.
वहाँ पर डाइट फॉलो करना आपके लिए आसान था या मुश्किल?
बहुत मुश्किल था.
क्यों?
क्योंकि मेरी डाइट है हाई प्रोटीन लो कार्ब. So हाई प्रोटीन से मेरा मतलब है I consume at least 120 grams of chicken or meat.
अच्छा.
राइट. तो अब वहाँ मिल रहा था 15 ग्राम 15 grams. So it would be very difficult, but I would somehow compensate it with protein shakes and stuff. But yeah, बहुत मुश्किल है डाइट फॉलो करना उसका.
So the interesting part here is कि नेहल ने बहुत अच्छे से पिज़्ज़ा डो तो बना लिया है. नाउ पिज़्ज़ा का जो आगे का प्रोसेस होना बाकी है. So now let's move on the other direction.
Let's go.
Let's at least like make one के आराम से I can enjoy my evening meal with you.
Let's do this.
आपने कभी पिज़्ज़ा बनाया है स्क्रैच से? नहीं, कभी नहीं.
My brother has made it.
Yeah.
My brother is one hell of a creative person.
So my sister also makes it actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, like she makes like small naans and all like that. I want to try now after seeing
The
this.
weird part is I never liked cooking or any household responsibilities. You know, my dad would regret कि यार ऊपर वाले कैसी बेटी देती है. But because of my life circumstances, I've had to take these responsibilities of learning how to cook and how to clean the house. And guess what? Big Boss के घर में मुझे वही काम आया है.
ये इतना बड़ा जो इन्होंने बेलन लेकर आया है. नेहल कभी बेलन की मार खाई है?
हाँ, बहुत
कभी.
ज़्यादा.
अच्छा. वो एक अलग ही पड़ता है ना वो फटका बचपन में. I feel. I think अभी मैं फिलहाल नहीं बोल सकती हूँ because nowadays like small kids are like you are affecting my mental health.
Oh
like even a 3-4-year-old is like, Mama, you can't even touch me. I love thick
cheese
crust
burst.
when it's cheese burst. Yes,
Oh.
only when it's cheese burst. I love the fact that though you say that you don't know to cook and all, or you know you have not basically meant for that, you are into it professionally.
Yeah.
काफी यानी दिखता है वो, पता है.
I think I'm
You want
just
this?
born
Oil
with
चाहिए
this.
आपको? Add
No,
करना
no,
है?
no. That's
Do
done.
you need butter or something?
No.
के directly आपको?
First, I think I'll put marinara sauce.
Okay. मैंने थोड़ा हेल्प किया तो मुझे अच्छा ज्यादा क्वांटिटी मिलना चाहिए नेहल.
पूरा आप ही खाने वाले हो सब ना. I'm
Go for
back
it.
to my diet, so not me.
Okay then. So ये आपने ऐड कर दिया ऑलरेडी जो I mean हाँ और चीज.
बहुत ज्यादा.
मुझे पता नहीं था चीज पहले डालते थे बिकॉज द वे आई मेक इट एट होम मेरा बहुत वो देसी इंडियन स्टाइल का. Yes. लास्ट या सो नाउ और नेहल ने इतना सब चीज डाल दिया ना कि मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे कितना वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा इसके बाद में. आई विल शेयर आई थिंक
टेस्ट और हेल्थ.
टेस्ट.
Let's go.
Let's not compromise on taste. Yeah.
No, not at all.
I think there are days where you really need the taste. फिर बाद में workout हो
Now we
जाएगा.
put healthier veggies.
Okay. No, I can adjust. You know, I'm not a Big Boss contestant to you right now. I want to
And
adjust
see,
to
this
it.
is who I am. I can do anything for you, Sabina.
That's so sweet. So now
the healthier option.
इसका सूप मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता है. Do you make that?
Yes. ये
Broccoli soup.
I make broccoli and mushroom together.
Okay. Yeah, it's
All
very good. The
protein.
creamy soup.
Yes, absolutely.
I remember like one of our seniors would get that soup to
Okay.
us, yeah, and we would like literally wait for that dabba to come to have that soup. Now that's Olive. Who do you bond with when it comes to food, or do you prefer not bonding when it comes to food?
I have one of my all my girl best friends. Like they're all foodies, and although their appetite is not as much as mine, मेरी appetite मेरी खुराक बहुत ज़्यादा है, बड़ी है. So I think I bond well with everyone. I cannot chill with people who don't eat.
हाँ.
I cannot. It's so difficult for me.
Yeah, no, actually फिर बहुत
It's-
boring हो जाता है.
हाँ, like you offer ये खाओगे? हाँ, नहीं.
नहीं.
I don't know.
ये Onion, you
So
want?
I think घर के बाहर मैं अभिषेक बजाज से बहुत अच्छा बॉन्ड करूँ.
हाँ.
हाँ.
तुम्हें ऐसे लगता
वो
है?
भी खाएगा, मैं भी खाऊंगी. मैं उसे रोकूंगी भी नहीं खाने से.
पर किसी का बॉन्ड हुआ है आपका बिग बॉस शो से आने
हाँ.
के बाद में जिनसे आपने कांटेक्ट किया हो या उन्होंने किया हो या बातचीत हुआ हो?
मेरी बात बहुत लंबी बात हुई थी नीलम से कॉल पे. मेरी अवेश से बहुत लंबी चैट हुई है. बट मैं किसी से मिलने में खुद से गई नहीं हूँ.
आई थिंक ये बाद में garnish.
आई थिंक आई एम डीलिंग विद माय ओन
These are the garnishing things for
PTSDs.
Okay. Yes, वो हो जाता है basically. Decoration आपने बहुत अच्छी की है नेहल. I must say that.
ये है हमारा मिक्स वेजीज पिज्जा. Veggie delight. Let's just call it Nehal's Veggie Delight.
Oh wow, नेहल ये बहुत ज्यादा. इससे अगर आपको किसी को मारना हो तो कौन होगा वो शख्स? From the Big Boss house. Think like that, like the devil person right now. किसको इससे यानी मार सकते
बाहर
हो?
आके मुझे किसी को नहीं मारना है. बाहर आके
अगर शो में होते तो
अगर मैं शो में होती तो
Yeah.
मैं सबसे ज्यादा इससे आई थिंक इट वुड बी मालती. बिकॉज मैं आज पूरे कपड़े पहन कर आई हूँ और मुझे लगता है मैं सुंदर भी लग रही हूँ और मिस इंडिया तो मैं जीत ही चुकी हूँ. तो इसके साथ मैं मालती को जवाब देना पसंद करूंगी
wow.
कि जो सब मैं कर सकती हूँ वो आप नहीं कर सकते. जैसे पिज्जा बनाना.
She got the message, I think. Whenever she's out of the show and if she sees this clip, she
Yeah.
knows what she has
I'm
kind
sure.
of
I'm
not understood. But this is good. Now let's move on the other side of it.
Yeah.
Chef को बुलाते हैं. Chef, thank you so much for helping us और रेसिपी बताने के लिए. अब ये कितना टाइम लगेगा इसे आपको हीट करने में? 2-3
Oh, that's it.
minutes.
260 temperature, 2 to 3 minutes बस.
So I'm waiting now. मुझे भूख लग रही है सच में. तो आप ये लेकर जाइए. ये पिज्जा आपने देख लिया है. एक्चुअल में ऐसा है पिज्जा का हाल और नेहल का पिज्जा जो ब्रोकली हमने थोड़ी इधर उधर शफल कर ली. बट
हमारा वेजिटेरियन मंगलवार का ये पिज्जा है.
नेहल का प्यार बेसिकली
This is Nehal's Veggie Delight.
Okay. तो चलिए अभी let's
Yeah.
wait for yes
हाँ,
go for it. So now the pizza is here after like basically getting baked और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जैसे हम खाते वैसे ही लग रहा है. But now I want you to do the
Let's do the
अच्छा partition करो उसका space
final
ना.
garnishing
अच्छा.
with our most favorite ingredient that is और हमारा पेट इतने से
The
चीज़
child
से
in me
नहीं
is like
भरता।
happy to see the cheese and all on ना.
इतने से चीज़ में हमारा पेट नहीं भरता है दोस्तों। लोगों का खाना छीनने वाली आज खाना बनाकर बांट रही है और खिलाएगी भी समीना को। ओके देन।
But Nehal, I must say that कि you are very sensible और साथ में आप काफी caring हो जब खाने की बात आ जाती है। बाकी का मुझे नहीं पता पर मैं देख रही हूँ कि खाने में आप यानी काफी एंश्योर करते हो कि सबसे बेस्ट होस्ट बन जाओ आप। Your dad ever tried like playing this, you know, at home के Big Boss चाहते हैं, Big Dad चाहते हैं, basically Dad चाहते हैं
I think all
कि
my
Nehal, they do
कि
that,
नेहल बर्तन मांग।
है ना? So now I'm going to have this
Yes.
and because इसमें cheese है।
उफ, आह। Patience, guys, she's delicious.
I'll be very honest.
Yeah, please.
One thing about this is what हम रेस्टोरेंट्स में आते हैं and we order pizza.
Yeah,
वो रेस्टोरेंट का वाइब आता है कहीं ना कहीं,
Right.
राइट?
yeah.
इसमें मुझे वो फील नहीं हुआ। इसमें हम घर में बनाते हैं जल्दी से इंस्टेंटली यानी कुक करके फ्रेश पिज्जा। ये मुझे लिटरली फ्रेश पिज्जा वाला वाइब आया।
बेसिकली मम्मी जो पिज्जा खिलाती थी बचपन में वो मैंने कहीं ना कहीं सीख लिया था एज अ बच्चा।
ये रेवलेशन होता है अभी। नहीं, आपको नहीं लगता कि आपके कुछ कुछ रेवलेशंस बहुत टाइम बाद होते हैं उसकी वजह से you kind of put yourself in थोड़ा सा यानी शायद से
I think
पता चल
I
जाना
have this
चाहिए।
mysterious side to me
हाँ।
कि मैं सब कुछ एक साथ ऐसे Pandora's box की तरह नहीं।
हाँ, कि ये लो मैं प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ
Yeah,
आपको,
that's me, like an open book.
which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Keep your mystery alive.
Also, I feel like people
Huh.
are always evolving. So what I was like a week back, maybe I've evolved today and changed a bit. So
I could see that there's a lot of patience in her, which
Yeah.
has come after coming from the show.
yeah,
I think the way she started off versus now, there's a lot of change in you, and I think it could be the show's effects, it could be something else also. But I feel like what I have seen you over the years, you know, also of someone who's been restless to now that calm and composure. I think you have come a long way. So, usi baat pe we are going to enjoy this pizza, and I think it was
That's so
lovely having you on this show, Nehal.
thank you so much.
But before I let you like work on these projects, जो मैंने आपको शेफ वाला दिया, I have to ask you, after Big Boss, what's your journey like?
I think I'm gonna open my wings to almost everything. My USP is not one thing, you know. किसी का म्यूजिक होता है, किसी का लाइफ। I feel like भगवान ने मुझे, ऊपर वाले ने मुझे ऐसे बनाया कि आप you're a 7 on 10 in everything. So I think I'm gonna spread my wings to acting that you've seen already, 2 of my web series, but film projects, acting, more reality shows, live performances, hosting, I think everything, content creation, सब कुछ. So I don't want to leave no stone unturned.
That's interesting, but thank you so much, Nehal, for such a spectacular, you know, time right now. I must say that. Sushi तो अच्छी थी ही, वो तो हमने खत्म भी कर दी है,
Yes.
पर अब हमें पिज्जा को खत्म करना चाहते हैं। हम नहीं चाहते कि ठंडा हो,
Yes,
इस वजह से
let's
ये शो को भी हम समाप्त करते हैं।
But also, thank you for having me and thank you for coming up with such a different concept. Yeah, Samina, only you could do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. But I'm
Let's
very
go.
happy to see this side of
Let's
yours,
go.
you know. And
Let's
now
go.
let's enjoy this. And thank you for coming on
And
this show.
you will get 7 pieces of pizzas, not 2.
I'm not sharing with people out there. So जो भी यहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, सुन रहा है, भूल जाओ. ये मेरे साथ में होने वाला है. But
ये
thank
पूरा
you.
पिज्जा समीना खाएगी, मैं कुछ नहीं खाऊंगी और मैं
I'm
ऐसे
happy.
रोकूंगी भी नहीं.
मैं अब डाइट नहीं कर रही, मैं ये खा लेती हूँ.
Let's go!
Thank you once again. Thank you for being on this
Thank
show.
you so much.
And lovely to, you know, chat with you, especially
Yeah.
on this side.
Yeah.
आपका otherwise I've done like serious interviews and all, but I think this was fun to do.
True.
Thank you.
Absolutely.